There's something magical about festivals in India. The early morning hustle, the aroma of ghee in the air, the sound of laughter echoing through homes, and right at the heart of it all is food that carries generations of love. And today, we are making one such timeless delicacy, Puran Poli, the soul of Maharashtrian festivals, especially Gudi Padwa. But this isn't just a recipe. This is a story, a tradition, a piece of history served warm with a generous drizzle of ghee.
तुलसीदास कर जोरे मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे गाइए गणपति जगवंदन जगवंदन ॐ गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्
Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. It's the first day of the Hindu New Year in Maharashtra. Homes are freshly cleaned, vibrant rangolis decorate the entrance, and outside every house, a gudi is hoisted high, symbolizing victory, prosperity, and new beginnings. Inside the kitchen, something equally special is being prepared. The comforting aroma of chana dal slowly cooking, jaggery melting into golden sweetness, cardamoms filling the air with warmth. And there's where the story of Puran Puri begins. The word Puran Puri itself tells you so much about the dish. Puran refers to the sweet filling made from chana dal and jaggery. Puri means flat bread. But what makes it truly special? It's not just the ingredients, it's the process, the patience, and the love that goes into making it. Puran Puri has its roots that go back centuries. Some food historians believe its origin can be traced to ancient India, even mentioned in old Sanskrit texts. where similar sweet flatbreads were prepared as offerings to deities. In Maharashtra, it became deeply tied to festivals like Gudi Padwa, Holi, and Ganesh Chaturthi. Why? Because it represents abundance. Lentils for nourishment, jaggery for sweetness of life, and ghee for richness and prosperity. Every bite is symbolic. Every bite is a blessing. But what truly beautiful is how every household has its own version of Puran Puri. Some make it soft and melt in the mouth, some prefer it slightly crisp, some add nutmeg, some swear by saffron. And then there are grandmothers who don't measure anything, yet make the most perfect Puran Puri every single time. Because for them, it's not a recipe, it's muscle memory. It's tradition passed down through generations.
मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे, मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे, बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे, बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। ॐ गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं, कपित्थजम्बूफलचारुभक्षणम्, उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकम्, नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। सिद्धिसदनगजवदन विनायक कृपा सिन्धु सुन्दर सबलायक, सिद्धिसदनगजवदन विनायक कृपा सिन्धु सुन्दर।
Growing up, many of us have seen this. Mothers and grandmothers sitting in the kitchen early in the morning, patiently mashing the dal, stirring the jaggery until it reaches just the right consistency. The rhythm of rolling the dough, stuffing it carefully, flattening it gently, it's almost like an art form. And yes, it takes time, but maybe that's the beauty of it. In a fast paced world, dishes like Puran Puri remind us to slow down, to control, to connect, to create something meaningful.
गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबलायक, सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबलायक। मोदक प्रिय मुदा मंगलदाता, मोदक प्रिय मुदा मंगलदाता, विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता, विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबलायक, सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सबलायक।
Now let's talk about Gudi Padwa. This festival marks the beginning of a new year according to lunisolar calendar. It celebrates the arrival of spring, harvest, and new hopes. The Gudi itself is believed to symbolize victory. Some say it marks Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya, while others associate it with triumphs of the Marathas. And what better way to celebrate new beginnings than with something sweet? That's when Puran Puri takes center stage. In many Maharashtrian homes, no Gudi Padwa is complete without it. It's not just food, it's prasad. It's celebration on a plate, served hot with a generous dollop of ghee. Sometimes paired with milk, sometimes with katachi amti on the side. That contrast of sweet and spicy, soft and rich is pure comfort. And interestingly, Puran Puri is not just limited to Maharashtra. Across India, you'll find its cousins. In Gujarat, it's called Vedmi. In Karnataka, Holike or Ovattu. In Andhra Pradesh, Bobatlu. Each version slightly different yet deeply connected. It's amazing how one dish can travel across regions, adapting, evolving, yet holding into its essence. But let's be honest, making Puran Puri can feel intimidating. The stuffing shouldn't be too dry or too sticky. The dough shouldn't be too soft, but not too hard. And yet comes the real challenge, rolling it without breaking. But don't worry, because once you get it right, it's incredibly satisfying. That first perfect Puran Puri, golden, soft, slightly crisp, is a moment of pure joy. And maybe that's why it's so special. Because it's not instant, it requires effort, patience, care, just like the relationships and traditions it represents. Today, as you make this Puran Puri, take a moment to appreciate the joy behind it, from ancient kitchens to modern homes, from handwritten recipes to YouTube videos, from grandmother's hands to yours. You're not just cooking, you're keeping a tradition alive. So roll it gently, cook it patiently, and most importantly, serve it with love. Because at the end of the day, that's the secret ingredient that makes every Puran Puri unforgettable.
मोदक प्रिय मुदा मंगलदाता मोदक प्रिय मुदा मंगलदाता विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता विद्यावारिधि बुद्धि विधाता गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन सिद्धि सदन गज बदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर
And as we celebrate this beautiful festival of new beginnings, may your life be as sweet as a Puran, as warm as a ghee, and as fulfilling as this timeless dish.
मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे
तुम्हाला आणि तुमच्या कुटुंबाला गुढीपाडवाच्या आणि उगाडीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. नवीन वर्षात तुमच्यासाठी आनंद, समृद्धी आणि यश घेऊन येऊ दे.
ॐ गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितम्